Hey there! If you're struggling with a TP-Link guest network not working after bridging, you're in the right place. TP-Link routers come equipped with a range of features, one of which is the ability to set up a guest network. This allows your visitors to access the internet without having to access your main network resources. However, after bridging your network, the guest network feature might stop functioning as expected. Don't worry. In this guide, we'll walk you through practical steps to resolve this issue. Step 1. Verify your network setup. Before diving into complex solutions, let's start by verifying your current network setup. When bridging networks, it's essential to ensure the main router's DHCP and the TP-Link's configuration are aligned. Check that the TP-Link router is set as a bridge and not another type of network mode, such as a repeater or access point. Confirm that the device is receiving an IP from your main router and not distributing a different set of IP addresses. Step 2. Reconfigure the guest network. Once your network setup is verified, it's important to ensure your guest network settings are configured correctly. Log into the TP-Link admin panel by entering the default gateway IP into your browser. This is typically something like 192.168.0.1 or 192.168.1.1. Navigate to the guest network section. Here, make sure the guest network is enabled and properly configured. Check that the SSID is visible and not set to hidden. Also, verify the network settings like WPA/WPA2. Ensure they are correctly set and the guest password is easy to connect with. Step 3. Update your router's firmware. Firmware updates are crucial for ensuring your router functions smoothly and securely. Outdated firmware might cause the guest network to malfunction after bridging. Visit the TP-Link support website and download the latest firmware update for your specific router model. Go back to the admin panel and in the System Tools section, select Firmware Upgrade. Upload the new firmware and wait for the process to complete. This update can resolve compatibility issues and bugs that are preventing your guest network from working correctly. Step 4. Adjust DHCP settings. The next step involves adjusting the DHCP settings, which could be clashing after bridging. Ensure the DHCP server is enabled if your TP-Link is handling address assignment and there is no conflict with the main router's IP range. If your main router is handling DHCP, then disable it on the TP-Link device to prevent IP conflict. Go to the network section on your TP-Link interface. Configure DHCP settings accordingly with a non-overlapping IP. Step 5. Test connectivity and troubleshoot. After making these adjustments, it's time to test the connectivity. Try connecting a device to the guest network. If you're still experiencing problems, it might be beneficial to reboot both your main and TP-Link routers. This action can reset any temporary issues or conflicts that occurred during the configuration. If connectivity issues persist, consider resetting the TP-Link router factory defaults and reconfiguring the bridge and guest network settings from scratch. By following these steps, you should be able to resolve any issues with the TP-Link guest network not working after verifying network setups, reconfiguring the guest network, updating firmware, and adjusting DHCP settings are key strategies for getting your guest network back up and running. Remember, patience and persistence are essential. Technology can be a bit challenging, but with the right steps, you'll have your network functioning smoothly in no time. Happy networking.